If you want to quickly check which version of CapCut you're using on a Windows PC, this short tutorial will show you the fastest way to find it. Knowing your CapCut version can be helpful when you're troubleshooting a problem, checking for updates, or making sure your software matches a tutorial or project requirement. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your Windows computer. Wait for the app to fully load so all the menus and settings appear properly. Once CapCut is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You should see the settings icon there. It usually looks like a small gear or menu style icon, and that is where you'll find the app information. Go ahead and click that settings icon. This will open the settings panel inside CapCut. In this section, you'll be able to access different app options and view important details about the software. As soon as the settings page opens, look through the fields shown on the screen. You do not need to scroll around too much because the version number is already displayed for you. You'll find the CapCut version in the second last field, so just look near the bottom of the settings list and you should see the version information clearly listed there. This is the exact version currently installed on your Windows PC. If you are trying to confirm whether you have the latest update, this is the number you want to check. Once you see it, you can note it down, compare it with the latest available version, or share it if someone asks what build of CapCut you are using. And that's really all there is to it. Checking the CapCut version on Windows only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this helped you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick CapCut and Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.